Hi, in this video I want to give you a general overview of SI Lead Manager Beta 4. There's been some new changes, some things have changed places since the previous betas, so I just want to help you get familiar with how everything's laid out. On the top here you'll see the File menu. So if I ever refer to File menu in a video, this is where you'll go. There's not much up here right now. There's just File, you can exit. There's a View where you can toggle on the Quick View search bar or the breadcrumb bar, or the Help where you can go to tutorials, forums, program updates. This next area is the Toolbar, the icons for the dashboard, which is this you see right here. It's the main screen that'll open up when you enter into SI Lead Manager. The leads, you'll go to view all the lists, you'll drill down deeper into leads. We'll get into all these items later in other videos. Just now we'll concentrate on this dashboard window. Here you can go view all the mailings you've set up, the letters that you have in the system. You can do an advanced search where you can search on any column, whether something is contained in a street or a name. It's really helpful when you get a message and you can't quite understand the name, you only got the first few letters, or the street name, and you can find the lead that you're looking for. Calendar view, you can take a look at what mailings you have coming up. This Google and Click to Mail, I have these planned in future releases. Just don't quite have those user ready right yet, as of yet. Settings, where you can set up like default settings for fields, where you can add custom fields, or just put your information in there so you don't have to fill it out for reports and what have you. And there's lookups throughout the program. There's drop down boxes with items to select. This lookups area will allow you to modify what shows up in those lookup boxes. This next portion are additional toolbars. I call this the quick search bar. These are the items you can toggle on and off in this view menu. So if I toggle off quick search bar, you'll see it disappear, put it back in. It's there. This is a quick search for a lead's last name. So if I want to find, say, a lead starts with a C, hit enter. Here's all the names that start with a C. We'll close that because we'll get to that later. Now this next bar is called the breadcrumb bar. If you ever used a forum, breadcrumbs are the trail from where you started to where you're at, so you can easily navigate your way back to the beginning. So I'll quickly demonstrate this for you. Right now we're on dashboard. Say I open up the leads, so you see dashboard, and you're now in the lead types. And we drill down a little bit further, we go into probates. Now we get lead types, and this is the lists in the probates. We can even go even further into the June list, select Robert over here, and this breadcrumb shows you the trail you've gone to get to this lead. Now if you want to go you're done with this, you want to go all the way back, you can just select dashboard and you're back to the beginning. It's easy, it helps navigation, and I hope you like it. If you don't like it, you can just come here, turn it off. It's gone, you don't have to see it anymore. I like to leave it on because it helps me. So the next area I'd like to point out to you is this links area. These are functions that I found useful, that I used most often. Like say I want to get a blank seller worksheet when someone makes a phone call. So I'll click this, and here's the seller worksheet that you can print out and fill out when a new lead calls. It's the one I use, and it's very helpful in determining motivation. You can also, if you know the lead, the name of the lead, you know you have them in your system, say they're calling from a mailing list instead of a banded sign, you can come in here, say existing lead, say we'll select Michael here, and this will fill out a similar lead sheet that I've put into the program. It's not in the same layout, but it makes it in chronological order of questions that you should ask, and you can fill them out here, then they're into the system but I'm getting ahead of myself. This will be demonstrated in a later video. Also in the lead actions, you can import your Excel files. Click on that. This import screen will come up. You can go through and import that Excel file that you want to get, and that's full of leads. And also you can add single lead. So a bandit sign caller comes in. You quickly can enter the information in, save it, and bam, it's into your system. And also, this is a lot for me because sometimes I know the lead ID instead of the name. So you can enter in, see if I remember one of them, search, and it'll come up with my information because I am the lead that I searched with that ID. Now over on this right portion is the, what I like to call the current information, the current actions that you are paying attention to, the current leads you're paying attention to. So you have calls to make. This will fill up with any calls that you have to make in the future. And if you need to add a new call, quickly you come in here, say I want to call Barbara. Over here, select. So now I know when the next time I open up the program that I have to make a call to Barbara. Now when you made that call, you hit done, and it'll disappear and it'll be marked in the system that you have created that action. Now also over here, I haven't, since this is a new installation, I haven't edited any leads, but down here you'll any leads that you've edited in the last 7 days, you can change this to 365 days or whatever. So I'll edit one just so you can take a quick look. Go in here, single leads, we'll edit me. Now I'll just save this. That information is triggered when you save it. So we'll close. Actually, we'll get back to the dashboard. See, breadcrumbs come in handy. Now we'll refresh this, and you'll see I've edited my information. You can quickly go to it by clicking on the ID, like so. Now this next area here is if I set up a mailing that I want to send out over the next 30 days, just like the last viewed area, you can change this to any one of these days in advance, days ahead. So I'll just set up a quick mailing, and we'll show you how it shows up there. So we'll just do, this only has one lead in it. Set up a mailing. Ooh. I only want one. We'll call the mailing for tomorrow and create. Now there's the mailing set up here. Come back to the dashboard, refresh this, hopefully show it. There you go. And you can click on this, goes into mailings, and you can print it. That's pretty much all it is. You can set up. I mean, it's fairly straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at scott@strugglinginvestor.com. You can see the link down below. You can click on this. It'll go directly to my blog. Like so. And you can read all about me and how I'm doing and ask questions or participate if you like. If not, that's okay. I don't force anybody to read it. And you can also donate to me. I put this in there. I mean, I've worked pretty hard on this program. It's taken me over a year to get to this point, and I do offer it for free. And if it helps you, maybe you can donate some money to me, because there's always tools that I need to buy so I can add different features to this program that help make it easier, more user-friendly, and just grow in the future. I'm not begging, you don't have to do it, I don't care. But it's just something out there that I thought I'd put in. So that's pretty much it for the general overview of SI Lead Manager Beta 4. And I hope you enjoyed the program. Again, if you have any questions, email me at scott@strugglinginvestor.com. Thank you.